everybody, this is Subshare, back another day with another unboxing. And no, this is not a pair of shoes, it's a hoodie. And let me just open it. The backstory with this hoodie is, of course, I love the color maroon, as you all know. But the thing why I bought this hoodie is because ever since way before Supreme got so hype, I've always said that Supreme is good value for your money. Make the hoodies are great quality, fits good, and you can wear them for years and years. Of course, if you buy them retail. And just so you know, we in Sweden, even though we have a European web shop nowadays, we usually pay with taxes and shipping, etc., as much retail as the hoodies go for resale in US. The standard hoodies, not the box logo, of course. But so I've said this year after year that Supreme makes great quality hoodies. And to parents that ask me, why are Supreme so expensive? Should I buy Supreme for my son? Yeah, just buy them one size bigger and yeah, you can have the hoodie for years. That was before Supreme changed their sizes. This is an XL, and today this is like large. So XL today is big. Either way, so a while ago I bought a pair of sweatsuits from Reigning Champ, and they were expensive, more expensive than a pair of Supreme pants, and I got surprised over the quality. I really like them. So after saying that Supreme is good quality for the money, what else do we have in that price range? So Reigning Champ costs in US $150. Here in Sweden, like $220. So I think they're actually more expensive than a Supreme hoodie. The same, I think. Supreme hoodies go for retail like $185, and we in Sweden pay like $230 with taxes. And this is more or less the same, $220 maybe. So since I like the sweatpants so much, I'm gonna try the hoodie, see if it feels good. I'm curious about how the hoodie looks on, because I hate when the hoodie is small. The hoodies on the Supreme are just perfect. And yeah, I love the colors, as I said. Crimes on the color, but I call it burgundy, maroon. And this is an XL, like this one, but I think this is gonna be bigger because today this is like large. Sorry if I confused you, but this is an old XL, and today that would be large in this size. And this is XL because if I'm gonna buy a new brand that I don't have before, that I not know of before, I'm gonna go with XL. I differ a bit in weight, so yeah, I'm 186 centimeters and I weigh today about 95 kilos, 94 kilos. But I usually weigh around 90, 91 kilos. So yeah, I'm gonna cut here, move the table, and see how the hoodie fits. I really hope that it will fit me perfect, because I have a bunch of maroon hoodies already, and I like to wear maroon. So I need more maroon hoodies so I don't wear the same hoodie every day. Of course I don't, but you know what I mean. So I hope this will be a new perfect fit hoodie. And right away, I'm glad that I didn't go with large. XL seems to fit me just fine. The quality feels nice, thinner and softer than Supreme, but still I can feel that this will not wear out easily or fast. You're gonna take a couple of watches before the color fades. So good quality. And now the hoodie test. It feels maybe a bit small. Yeah, I like them to be a bit bigger so I don't look like a jogger or a serial killer. But the fit is perfect. Once again, 186 centimeter. I think that like 6 feet 2, yeah. And today 94 kilos, usually 91 kilos. So reigning champ. I think the hoodie is called something special. Let me see what it says here. Like Terry something. Yeah, it doesn't say that. Terry. I'm gonna put it in the subscription and in the link. Yeah, I like it. A bit pricey, but the US price is good. I think 150 US dollars. But here $220. It's a bit much for your standard hoodie, but I hope I'm gonna wear it a lot, and it's gonna look good always. What do you think? Subscribe, hit that thumbs button, comment, ask me any questions, and thank you. Oh yeah, I just want to show you. This is what I mean when I say that I like maroon hoodies. I don't know how many there is, but this is all maroon colored hoodies. So if you see me wear a maroon hoodie, don't assume that I wear the same hoodie all the time.